Welcome to your nightly integration. Let's start with 3 deep breaths. Inhaling through the nose for 2, 3, holding at the top for 2, 3, exhaling through the mouth for 2, 3, inhaling again for 2, 3, holding at the top for 2, 3, exhale 2, 3, one last time. Inhale 2, 3, hold, exhale 2, 3. Take one last deep breath, and as you exhale, let your mind know, I am safe to let go. Tonight, your only task is to relax and listen. My voice will guide you. Your subconscious will do the work. As your body softens, your mind begins to drift, and a gentle invitation opens. Subconscious mind, may I enter? Feel for that permission. You'll sense a subtle yes. Sometimes a warmth. Sometimes a drop. Sometimes a quiet peace expanding behind the eyes. This yes allows the work to begin. Tonight's intention is clear: to recount the day, to reinforce every action aligned with your transformation, and to dissolve every fragment of the old identity that no longer belongs to you. Tonight, you become more of who you truly are. Now that the subconscious mind is listening, you'll gently replay the day, not as a critic, not as a judge, but as an architect examining the blueprint of a masterpiece in progress. Let the mind drift back to this morning. See yourself listening to your activation. See yourself getting out of bed, moving through your day, moment by moment. But tonight, you review from a higher vantage point, from the identity of the man you are becoming. Notice the moments today when you acted with more discipline. You resisted old impulses. You chose power instead of weakness. You embodied confidence instead of hesitation. You held your frame. You made a better choice than your old self would have. You aligned with the 0.1% identity. Feel a small surge of pride for each one. Each of these moments is evidence. Evidence that the transformation is real. Evidence that the new identity is integrating. Evidence that your masculine energy is crystallizing. Say silently, "These are my new patterns. This is who I am now." Let that truth settle deep into your subconscious. Now, if any moments arise where you slipped into older patterns, distraction, weakness, procrastination, desire loops, overthinking, don't resist them. You're not here to judge them. You're here to transform them. Breathe in. And as you exhale, say, "I release this version of me." Feel those old patterns dissolving like dust in the air. They no longer define you. You are not fighting the old identity. You are outgrowing it. This is how transformation becomes effortless. By integrating, not resisting. You are stepping forward. You are stepping higher. You are stepping into the man you were meant to be. Now, bring your awareness low to the base of your spine, to the primal center of force, desire, instinct, and creation. This is the source of your masculine power. Feel a warm energy gathering there. Gathering, expanding, awakening. This energy is neutral until you direct it. It can feed distraction, or it can fuel destiny. Tonight, you choose destiny. Imagine this sexual energy rising upward, slowly, deliberately, like liquid fire moving through your body, from the base to the sacrum, to the lower belly, to the solar plexus, to the heart, to the throat, to the mind. Every inch it rises, it changes form. From desire to drive, from lust to focus, from craving to clarity, from impulse to discipline, from heat to purpose. Say, I reclaim my energy. I choose where it goes. I use it to build the man I am becoming. This is sexual alchemy. This is your transmutation. This is your evolution. Now, hold the image of your highest self, the man you are designing, constructing, and claiming. See him clearly, disciplined, intentional, powerful, calm, driven, aligned, confident, magnetic, controlled, unstoppable. Feel this version of you looking back at you. He doesn't judge you. He welcomes you. He invites you upward. Tonight, you merge with him. Say, I am this man. This identity is mine. This transformation is permanent. Feel it locking into your nervous system, into your beliefs, into your habits, into your destiny. This is the new blueprint your subconscious will run while you sleep. Now, allow everything you've heard to sink deeper. My voice integrating into your subconscious. Your energy settling. Your mind drifting. Your breath slowing. You'll feel yourself sliding into a gentle, restorative trance. As you fall asleep, the subconscious continues the work automatically, amplifying new masculine patterns, deleting old identity behavior, rewiring sexual energy into power, strengthening discipline, reinforcing confidence, aligning your mind to your mission, deepening your transformation every night. Say, I trust the process. I am becoming stronger while I sleep. And now you can drift softly, slowly, deeply into the night, reprogramming, evolving, upgrading. Your transformation continues even after the recording ends. Tonight, you sleep as the man you have chosen to become.